So May's version of the hang compression, press the handstand and the pancake stretch is going to be dynamic. So for the hang, first up, just setting a ring up, or if you've got a bar, you want to set it up probably just a touch higher than this. I like to put my feet right together on this bar, they'll just touch the ground. And then you're just going straight to the side. So first version, you're not tucking the pelvis, so you're getting that nice dead hang, covering the ears, straight out, really squeezing those glutes. The next version after that dynamic is going to be from there, and then into that pelvic roll, trying to keep the feet as wide as you can. And then from there, on the line, up, back down, 3 reps of those. You will cramp a lot through here at the beginning. It isn't easy, it does take time. Then you're going to use the band, or if you can do it without the band, and we'll progress through the different levels of tension in the different bands. So pulling that down, come down, and remember the key thing to this is get it on the hips, lock out your arms and bend forward. The fingertips need to be on that band line or just behind to make it easier to come up. If you go forward, you'll find you're kind of fighting with yourself to get up, and that's actually harder than doing a full body weight one. So here you come down, press it down your hips, bend forward, hands on the ground, walk back, lock out the elbows, and then you're just coming up, right up on the tippy toes and back down. If you've got that down, your next level, be there, up, out, back down, forward, up, out, hit the balance, and back down. So you're aiming for 3 clean reps on that, and really getting that nice shoulder stack, feeling that hollow to neutral when you come up, or slightly into an arch to counterbalance the straddle. Then you're going to go into the stand version, which is just a pancake. Like in the gym, we'll do it raised up on boxes so there's more range and add some weight to it. But just the body weight version, you're just going to hinge through and then reach. I'm trying to get the top of the head down, coming up and back down. Stretch so it's like a Jefferson curl, but straddled. So you're coming up 1 vertebra at a time and back down. Reach through, get the forearms down, try and get the head down. Adding the external load does make it a lot heavier and makes it progress a little bit faster, but it's a dynamic version, so it's not just 1 rep, you know, or 1 hold, or just going down slowly for 1 rep. With those 3 reps, and then a nice breathing rest. Remember to warm up first 2 rounds, 3rd and 4th round, push a bit harder, and just really keep that form, keep that technique. Tough one with this is really locking the elbows out and staying in that dead hang position on the pull. On the push part, again, same thing, trying to lock out, not plant, really feeling that roll up. And then on this one, yeah, keeping the knees locked out and really kind of letting that traction occur. Remember, if you're struggling with your hamstrings, if you can't kind of get past 90 with a straddle position, if you start to round out, you're going to put too much pressure on the lower back. So I would just take a step back and just keep the spine straight and really try and work the straight spine, straight leg version. Get that to the point where when you start to round out, it's not too much pressure in the lower back. Otherwise, you'll just overstretch the lower back in the chain and you won't really hit the hamstrings as much. You want to hit both, but you definitely want to get more of a traction feeling in the spine, less of a heavy flexion in the spine.